Hiya, for this is your video for Wednesday the 20th of January, and this is for Group 2 on statistics. So first of all, have a go at writing out your 2 times table, your 5 times table and your 3 times table. Give yourself about 5 minutes to do this. You can pause the video and then press play after about 5 minutes. So first of all, can you count in tens? You can either do this by writing it down on your whiteboard or you can say it out loud. Okay, so here is a graph that shows favourite fruit. And if you look at the key on the left-hand side, it says that one piece of fruit represents 2 children that chose it as their favourite fruit. So, how many people said that their favourite fruit was pear? Now, if I look at the chart, I can see that there are 3 pears. However, that doesn't mean that 3 children picked pears, because each one pear represents 2 children. So I could do a sum of 3 times 2, which would give me the answer of how many people chose pear. See if you can work that out. Okay, so you should have 6. 6 people said that pear was their favourite fruit. Well done if you got that right. Okay, now the same graph again, the same pictogram again. Which fruit was the most popular? Which fruit had the most amount of people choose it as their favourite fruit? So first of all, see if you can identify that. Okay, I hope you've picked banana. And then another challenge for you is to work out how many people chose bananas as their favourite fruit. So again, I can see 5 pictures of bananas. However, each banana represents 2 children. So I could count in 2s. I could count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I could do it that way, or I could write the times table 5 for 5 bananas times 2 for the 2 children, and that will give me an answer of 10. You've got it. Well done. Okay, how many people chose apple? How many more people chose apple than grapes? Okay, I think this is where it gets the trickiest. So I think the easiest thing for you to do is you need to find the difference between apples and grapes. Now, if we think back to our knowledge in maths, finding the difference means taking away. So we take the biggest number away from the smallest number to find the difference. And that will tell us how many more people chose apple than grapes. Okay, so I can see that more people chose apples. So I'm going to work out, first of all, how many people chose apples. So I've got 4 apples. So I'm going to count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to do 8. And then I'm going to take away the amount of people that chose grapes. Okay, so I'm going to do 8, take away, and there's 1 bunch of grapes, which means 2 children picked it. So 8 take away 2, which should be 6. Well done. So 6 more people chose apples than grapes. Well done. I think that's a bit tricky to get your head around. But well done if you did that. Okay, now how many people chose pears and bananas together? So we need to add pears and bananas up together. Okay, so pears, how many pears are there? There's 3 pears. Okay, so each pear represents 2 children. So I'm going to add up how many children chose pears. And then I'm going to look at bananas and I'm going to add up how many people chose bananas and add them together. Just pause the video while you do that. Okay, so you should have 6 people chose pears, so you should have 6, add or plus 10, for 10 people chose bananas, so 6 add 10 equals 16. Well done, guys. Okay, then group 2, your activity today is to have a look at this data about Smarties. So the important thing to remember on here is to look at the key, and the key says each one Smartie represents 2 Smarties. Okay, so if each whole Smartie is 2 Smarties, what do you think half a Smartie would represent? Yes, you've got it. Half a Smartie would be 1 Smartie in this pictogram. So we have got some questions to answer about this graph. So the first question says, how many green Smarties are there? Now I could count in 2s because I know that each one Smartie represents 2. So I'm going to count the green Smarties in 2s. 2, 4, 6. Now I've got half a Smartie, and if half a Smartie means that it represents 1 person, I just need to do 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay, excellent. Right, have a work through the other questions, and then for your challenge, can you write down your own questions about this data? Okay, well done everybody. Good luck. Bye-bye for now.